Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode we are going to learn how to grow green leafy vegetable at our garden in just a simple way. From child to an adult, everybody can take good benefit out of this green leafy vegetable, and it is rich in vitamin and minerals. So let's grow. Here you can see the mustard seeds that I have brought from the local grocery market. Open it up, you can see the dark colored seeds. They are the mustard seeds. Now just sprinkle them over the soil like this. Don't sprinkle too much so that they may be congested. Okay, now you need to cover the seeds like this and water them up thoroughly so that the seeds can be wet and they are ready to be germinated. After 14 days you can see that this garden is full of weeds, so there is a lot of weeds, as well as you can see mustard leaves plants. So now I am going to take up some good mustard plants and replant them in some good place so that there should not be more weeds to disturb them. So planting most of the good mustard plants. Here I am putting some dry leaves so that the soil will not get too much dry and the plant will get enough water for their growth. Now watering them up. So checking after 24 days, you can see the plants, the green mustard plants are really doing good. They are growing and slowly, but it's fine, they are small. But now here after 40 days you can see that they have grown quite taller and the leaves are also very healthy. And you can see most of the planted mustard plants are growing good. So you can add some compost so that they can grow much better ahead. Here I have placed compost in all of my plants. So here, checking after 61 days, you can see the green leafy vegetable has grown quite well and my wife is ready to harvest them. She is real fast to harvest them as she loves it. So harvesting the green leaves, she is not taking up the central stem, so because it's not that good. So taking off all of the green healthy leaves out of the plant. You can leave some young leaves so that they can grow in future as well. So here you can see all full of green leaves and they are very organic and they must be very tasty. So just in 61 days you can get this much of good harvest in your backyard garden. So friends, I hope you can grow at your home. If you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.